Do you remember when you were obviously a bit younger, you know, you'd go into school or whatever, you'd come home and you'd be like, oh, magnets, that, so good. But then it comes to Garmin and what's this? Who at Garmin went, oh, I've got a great idea for the dash cam, a magnet. And someone in Garmin probably went, oh, magnets, yeah, do that. And then they came up with this sticky pad that goes onto your windscreen and a magnet that goes to this bit that ends up looking like this, and then you end up doing this so much and you try and get it off the windscreen and this comes off, and then you end up with one of these plastic bits on the top that is like Gandalf's pocket. Weird analogy, I know, but never mind. Who at Garmin thought this is a great idea? Let's do this. This is a bad idea. Bad idea. I went out and bought this. This is the Garmin Suction Cup. Instead of that mount, the suction cup that goes to your windscreen, you can take it out, put it in different cars. Obviously, we're going to Orlando a lot. I like to use rental cars. I prefer to put something like this in the rental car because there's a lot of bad stuff goes on the Orlando highways and interstates and whatnot. My name's Paul. Welcome to a new video. Let's unbox this, let's get it fitted, and let's see what it looks like in the car without that crappy suction pad. So let's jump in, let's unbox this, shall we? Fit it to the dash cam, see what it looks like, and then we'll put it in the car and go from there. So let's take it out of the box, throw that away. So there we go. So you got the suction pad on the bottom with a little cover over it to stop it getting dusty. You put it against the windscreen and obviously you push down on the lever, just like the GoPro mounts and stuff like that, which attaches it properly. So let's fit it now. Let's take this garbage off and let's fit it onto the dash cam. There we go. That's the difference. And now you can mount this wherever you wanted to mount it. You haven't got to have it in just one position. You can put it in loads of different positions. Put it on your windscreen. Put it in other cars that you may be driving. Put it in rental cars, etc. You haven't just got to have it in the one car. Garmin should have included this in the box from the beginning. Right, okay, now this actually also works with the Garmin Speak Plus, Garmin Dash Cam 45, 55 and the 65W. The road's getting worse and worse. I've caught a few bits myself, as you'll have seen at the beginning of this video. Nothing compares to having your dash cam mounted exactly where you want it and then being able to transfer it from car to car. Let's go and fit this to the car, see what it looks like. Right, okay, so there it is, completely fitted. It's not going anywhere. So secure, more secure than this, which I'm now going to have to try and get off the windscreen. It's going to be super hard to get off, but that just looks so much better. I mean, it doesn't even feel like it's going anywhere. I don't know, when I've had this bit mounted, this seems to go everywhere. Dash cam goes up here, goes down there, then you've got to recenter it. It's just a bit of a nightmare. Let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Also, I'm actually going to be giving one of these suction cups away. So if you've got a Garmin 55, 45, 65, one of those Speak Plus, whatever else you've got that requires one of these, leave a comment down below and I'll select one of you at random to probably win one of these over the next couple of weeks. Thanks so much for watching, guys. I truly appreciate it. This has been a little update for the Garmin video, as I know some of you were not liking the sticky pad all that much, and to be honest with you, I completely agree with you. I absolutely hate it with a passion. Thanks so much for watching, guys. Like this video if you liked it, sub if you loved it. Thanks so much for watching. I'll see you all in my next video. Take it easy, everyone. See you all soon. Also as well, guys, links to both of these products in the description down below this video.